Hi everybody, welcome to Health channel. Today we are going to check the properties of turmeric. Turmeric is a kind of a plant and a spice that is prepared from it. Turmeric is a flowering plant from the ginger family. Turmeric powder is dark yellow and sometimes bright, which is one of the most widely used spices. The main habitat of this plant is India, and it forms part of the famous curry spice. This plant is one of the strongest antioxidants and reduces inflammation in the body, restores the skin, and improves cognitive senses and memory. Because turmeric is rich in a chemical compound called curcumin, it improves insulin resistance in diabetic patients and neutralizes excess insulin in the blood, as well as reducing appetite and weight in people. Turmeric is an herbaceous plant with stems of 1 to 1.5 meters in height and is in the form of a single stem, which is yellowish green or yellow in color. The part used is the underground fleshy stems of the plant or rhizomes, which after collecting, washing and boiling in water and then drying, are ground and yellow-orange powder is prepared. Turmeric is the main spice used in Asian cuisine. In South and Southeast Asia, this plant exists naturally in forests. Due to its strong antioxidant properties, turmeric is one of the most effective substances in preventing body cells from becoming cancerous. It has been said that turmeric may reduce the severity of Alzheimer's disease symptoms. Also, the main and important substance of turmeric, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects similar to conventional sedatives. Despite the benefits of turmeric for the health of the body, there is still no quality clinical evidence that shows that the consumption of turmeric or curcumin is effective for the treatment of one or more diseases in humans. This is a weak evidence that turmeric extract may be useful for relieving the symptoms of knee osteoarthritis, as well as for reducing muscle soreness and damage after exercise. The healing properties of turmeric. Number 1. Fatty liver treatment. Turmeric improves congestion and blockage of the liver and is effective for cleaning the liver. This plant is a natural detoxifier. The liver purifies the blood through the production of enzymes, and turmeric increases the production of these vital body enzymes. These enzymes break down and reduce the toxins in the body. Regular consumption of turmeric helps to fight several serious liver problems such as cirrhosis, hepatitis, and jaundice. Number 2. Treatment of gingivitis, toothache, and teeth whitening. The mild abrasive benefits of turmeric help to remove deep stains from the teeth. It also makes the teeth and gums stronger and cleans the mouth from unhealthy microbes. Chew turmeric to relieve toothache and infuse and gargle turmeric to treat gingivitis. Number 3. Improving blood circulation and treating high blood pressure. Using turmeric increases blood circulation and dissolves blood clots. If you have high blood pressure, you can add turmeric to your diet because it naturally lowers blood pressure and regulates blood flow to the heart. Number 4. Treatment of cracked soles. Turmeric has strong astringent properties and can be used to treat cracked soles. Mix equal amounts of castor oil and coconut oil and add some turmeric to it. Apply this mixture on the soles of your feet and leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it with cold water. Number 5. Alzheimer's prevention and treatment. Turmeric has been shown to prevent this disease. As it is known, inflammation and oxidation play a role in Alzheimer's disease, and turmeric curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In addition, the key of Alzheimer's disease is the deposition of proteins called amyloid plaques. Research has shown that curcumin can help remove these plaques. Of course, the effect of this substance in slowing down and even reversing the process of Alzheimer's disease in humans needs more research. Number 6. Weight loss. Turmeric is a natural antioxidant. Using turmeric is the most effective way to lose excess weight without side effects. Turmeric, this widely used spice, is an effective substance for detoxifying the body. Turmeric can be used in all kinds of foods. There is a drink called golden milk, which is a combination of turmeric, milk, and coconut oil, which is an excellent combination for quick weight loss. Number 7. Remove dark circles around the eyes. You can use turmeric paste to remove dark circles around the eyes. To prepare this mixture, just mix a little turmeric powder with half a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of tomato juice and a little flour. Apply the above mixture on the dark circles around the eyes and let it stay for 10 minutes. Number 8. Treatment of acne and pimples. Acne and pimples always cause discomfort and pain to people. Turmeric is very effective in treating and preventing acne and pimples because it removes excess oil from the skin and opens the blocked pores that cause acne. The anti-inflammatory property of turmeric reduces boils and acne, and its antibacterial property prevents the recurrence of acne. Number 9. Reducing wrinkles and cleaning the skin. Turmeric is also useful for reducing facial wrinkles. To remove lines on the forehead and laugh lines, you can combine rice flour with turmeric and milk and let the mask stay on the face for half an hour. Using a turmeric mask, you can use the antiseptic properties of turmeric and remove dead skin cells. Number 10. Improving brain function with turmeric. Your body produces a hormone called BDNF, or brain-derived neurogenesis factor, which plays an important role in dividing and multiplying neurons. BDNF production decreases with stress and aging. By increasing hormone production and function, turmeric can reverse the effects of age-related cognitive decline and thus strengthen the adrenal gland and increase the ability of the brain. Brain diseases such as degeneration of the brain and nerves, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are related to the reduction of BDNF. Number 11. Properties of turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a drink made using turmeric root or turmeric powder. Turmeric is dissolved in a cup of hot water, which helps to increase the flavor and nutrient profile of the final product. Turmeric tea can be combined with other things such as pepper, lemon, honey, ginger, etc. One of the best properties of turmeric tea is that it reduces inflammation and joint pain. It supports weight loss and strengthens the body's immune function, as well as manages blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Drug interactions and side effects of turmeric. Some people show allergic reactions to turmeric with symptoms such as nausea, diarrhea, low blood pressure, and uterine contractions in pregnant women. Turmeric may interact with anticoagulants such as aspirin, clopidogrel, and warfarin. People with diabetes should use it with caution because it causes blood sugar to drop too much. Consuming turmeric in large amounts may prevent the absorption of iron by the body. People with iron deficiency should use this spice with caution. It may prolong blood clotting. Those who are planning to undergo surgery should reduce the amount of turmeric consumption at least 15 days before. At the end of this video, if you liked this video, share it with your friends so that they can also use this information. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question about turmeric, ask in comment section. And give us energy with your likes. Our wish is your health, and have a nice day.